Let's bounce them hiccups out. You gotta hold your head up, buddy. This is horsey broken.